Umbutho iDemocratic Alliance undwendele kwindawo ekulungiswa khona isitalato iLillian Ngoyi kumbindi wedolophu yaseGoli kusasa phakathi kwamagingxi-gingxi nosokontraka. Kunyaka ophelileyo inkampani yobunjineli yakwa-Step Up yanikwa isiliki-maxabiso okanye ithenda ngelesemzini sokulungisa esi sitalato esasifudula sibizwa ngeBray Street, kodwa ngenxa yorhuqa inyawo le nkampani izibone isophulukana nesivumelwano ibinaso nomasipala malunga nalo msebenzi, nangona nje ibisele ibhatalwe imali engange-20 million rand. Okanye ke ngoJulayi wonyaka ophelileyo ugqabhuko dubulo lwerhasi phantsi komhlaba lwaqhekeza amacandelo esitalato ekuthethwa ngaso, lwasuba umphefumlo kwaye lwenzakalisa abantu abaninzi. IDA ithi yadanisa into yokuba kwisithuba esingaphezulu konyaka senzeka isisehlo kusasetyenzwe kuphela umga ozikhilomitha eziyi-1.8.
Iqembu le-Democratic Alliance selivakashele umgwaqo Lillian Ngoyi obuwaziwa ngoBray Street ukuyozibonela amathupha ngokuqhubekayo njengoba bethola izikhalazo ngokuthi akukho kwenzekayo ukulungisa lo mgwaqo osekuphela unyaka wavalwa njengoba kwakubikwa ukuthi kuyophela lo nyaka usulungisiwe.
The aim of coming here today is because of concerns that were raised by residents with regards to what is happening here, how far the repairs are. They saw in the newspaper about 200 million that's been used and contractors changing hands, and they saw flooding here also. So residents were asking us, what are you guys doing as politicians? So we decided to come and see for ourselves today with the Shadow MMC of Transport and the members of provincial legislature, because we have not been getting clear answers from the City of Johannesburg Department of Transport and JRA. So we're not happy with the answers we're getting, because we believe that there is information that is not coming to the public, and we are not happy with that. That's why we wanted to come and see for ourselves today.
Uqhuba ngokuthi okubakhathaza kakhulu ngokuthi kuba nomnyakazo kuphela uma kunezikhalazo.
When we were here a few days ago, there was no activity. Two or 3 days ago, there was no activity. Things were flooding. People were able to get in. Today, everything has been reinforced, and we suspect it is because of the information that has been given to the department that we are coming for an oversight. We don't have an issue with reinforcement, but we have an issue with the fact that work is only getting done because people are hearing that we are coming for an oversight.
IDA ithi khathazekile njengoba sekuyinhlala yenza ukuthi uhulumeni adembesele izintweni ezibalulekile njengoba kwakubikwa ukuthi ekupheleni kwalonyaka lomgwaqo yobusuqedwe ukulungiswa, kodwa manje sokhulunywa indaba ka-2025. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginguDaud Phungula ngibika ngiseGolini.
Okanye kwakulo elinqaku osomashishini abasebenza kwisitalato iLillian Ngoyi abona bangakwaphela kukulibaziseka kokulungiswa kwesitalato. Bathi baqhuba ngelahleko njengoko abathengi behambela kude kwesi sitalato ngenxa yoloyiko lokhuseleko nolwaphulo-mthetho, bebongoza urhulumente ukuba akhawulezise umsebenzi wolungiso. Kusenjalo ngaphambili abasemagunyeni bakhankanya ukuba umsebenzi unokugqitywa kuphela ngo-2026.
One is to lose our customer, building, and lose our tenant. Lose our tenant to my shops in my flat ngaphakathi. Asinawo ama tenant. And this thing kune crime eningi kakhulu right now. Ebusuku la kunabantu ababanjwayo, amafoni, imali, yonke into iyenzeka la. So asikwazi ukuphila ngalendlela. Since kwenzeke this thing, there's nothing, and akunamuntu update anything la. Ukuthi kwenzakalani, yini elandelayo wathi follow up abayenzi. And abasitsheli anything ukuthi kwenzakalani. Yini ezolandela right from now. So sihleli nje just ukuthi sihleli asazi ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Si-affecteke kakhulu because singabantu njengamanje ngiza kulesitolo esila last bekunestrade esiphuma kala ku-Illovo, manje kumele ngiyebhoda ngaphansi lena uyabona up to eBray or ngiyeqhamuka phezulu le, of which kuyangiwestela isikhathi sami uyabo. So siyacela ukuthi khona mawukhona bengasiza bakhiphe lezi zinto lezi bakwazi ukulungisa istrada kusemasinyane ukwenzela ukuthi khona lathi kusisize ukuthi masifuna ukwenza izinto zethu singamoshekalo isikhathi sethu because time is money.